if you suddenly get some big selling and then all of a sudden you get some really crazy selling, and that's a real danger. And we don't want that. We don't want crazy selling. We need crazy buying, especially at these levels. What's actually happened is you see this anchored VWAP from the December 24 high. We kind of cleared the liquidity. We closed above it. We held above it, and now we're rejecting from it. So it's forming the price is struggling to get above it. And what we actually need to do is we need to flip it into support. That's what needs to happen here. And right now we're just kind of trading in and around that anchored VWAP. Is this going to zero? No, it's not going to zero. D-Travel is about to explode. It's just that the movement of TRVL is so much at these levels. Look, from the pivot high put in yesterday to where we are now, we're already 70% lower than the price of yesterday's high. And so for a lot of people, when they're looking at their TRVL portfolio, you got to have a stomach made of steel. You got to basically not get overly obsessed about these fluctuations, because in the future when TRVL runs, it's going to run and run and run and run and run, and you're going to be seeing big gains really quickly. And so right now, these fluctuations, people are panicking. Oh my God, I'm 17% down. What next? What shall I do? Shall I sell? That's what people will think. The reality is, at the lows, with this volume that we've been seeing, this increasing volume, increasing prices, it's an opportunity to buy. And ideally, what you're looking to do is accumulate. Not financial advice. Accumulate. You accumulate. Yeah, you're adding. You're increasing your TRVL number, and not getting too fixated on the USDT price. Yes, you might have bought a little bit more than the average price. Yes, tomorrow it dropped. Today it dropped 17%. Okay, that gives you an opportunity to buy 17% cheaper, add to your portfolio. So the idea is to accumulate a bigger TRVL portfolio. And if we get everyone into that mindset, then we're not going to have any problem defending support levels. Now, because of the rest of the market, people are like, Bitcoin is rejecting from all-time highs, ETH is rejecting from all-time highs. You could see a little bit of onset panic, and then what you end up getting are low volume sells. So even now, when I'm looking at the TRVL selling, you see decreasing prices, decreasing volume. You see that? That's low volume selling. And so effectively what's happening is that people are overselling. There's not enough liquidity, and then the price slips, and so they're selling much lower than the actual value. That's really what's happening.